Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited because today we're trying out the March BoxyCharm. You guys know I love doing these videos. These are so old school YouTube. I loved watching these videos and I still love to make these type of videos for you. So I hope you guys have been enjoying it and I hope you enjoyed my last giveaway. I'm going to be doing another giveaway very soon. But anyways, we're doing March BoxyCharm. Get ready with me, unboxing, and I'm super excited. I hope you are too. If you're new, hi, welcome, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos. Go over to Instagram, go over to TikTok and follow me. I like to do like lifestyle, travel, that kind of stuff over there. So make sure you go say hi and let's just get started. Old school butterfly clips in, check. Even on this side, oh, my dollar butterfly clip broke. Okay. There's a lot of good stuff in this BoxyCharm. You guys know it's my favorite subscription box ever. So let's just start going through. Wet brush cleaning system with silicone scrubbing pads. Lavish. What is this? Okay. Oh, so just to clean your brushes. A convenient brush cleaning system to quickly and easily remove makeup residue from cosmetic brushes. The texture silicone pad store conveniently inside the container. Vegan-friendly cleanser. Gently removes stubborn makeup residue. Wet brush with water. Swirl it in. Soap to create a lather. Use silicone pad. Okay, so this is basically just, instead of putting soap on your brush and then start to use a silicone pad that you usually use to clean your brushes, you just dip it in here, which is super easy and convenient. Okay, cool. I'm gonna be trying that out because all my brushes are dirty. Comment below if you got dirty brushes and you need to clean them. Come on, spring cleaning. Spring cleaning, it's spring. It's spring. Okay, we got a lip oil. We got a mascara. We got a rose water setting spray. I'm excited. And an eye and a palette. So the Lime Crime Venus 3 palette. First off, this art is beautiful. It's beautiful. It has a mirror. Lime Crime, I know, was in the dumps for multiple years, but now they have come back. They are rising. So these are beautiful. So we're going to create a purple look today. Purple look using my Pretty Vulgar eye primer that I did get in a BoxyCharm. I've never needed to buy an eye primer, guys, because I've gotten so many in BoxyCharm that I'm pretty much set for life. So let's check this out and see what happens here. I'm gonna get into this color right here called Bliss. How are you guys doing? It's spring, it's a new year. I am so freaking pumped and excited because this year, Mama's doing some traveling. I'm doing some traveling. I shall share over on Instagram and I'm so excited. We just went to Mystic, Connecticut. I want to do like a trip up New England. If you've never been to New England, it's gorgeous. I'm talking about New York, Virginia, Connecticut, Rhode Island. Wait, is it Virginia or Vermont? Maine. Like, I think that's considered New England. And I live in Rhode Island. Rhode Island's beautiful. Whoa. These are pigmented. And so I think for our anniversary, my husband and I are going to travel to just some beautiful spots in New England. And we'll be sharing that over on Instagram. But I just went to Mystic, Connecticut for my son's birthday. We took him to the aquarium there and it was so fun. They had a beluga whale. Guys, they had a beluga whale. They had a beluga whale, they had penguins, they had octopus, they had little sharks, they had stingrays you could touch. They had a lot of stuff going on, a lot of cool fish, and it was just cool, even for me to see and to look at. Like, was just kind of cool. They had a bunch of different kinds of seals. So anyways, so I'm going to try to blend this in as... Looks a little scary right now, but I'm sure it will work out. How about we do a cut crease? I kind of want to do something a little cray-cray. Okay, I'm going to mix in a little bit of Dreamy, which is this like light purple shade, and kind of take that right above here. Ooh, whoa! This is pigmented. Okay, So I said like a light purple shade and it ended up being so pigmented. Oh my gosh, if this is your first video you're seeing of me, this is not, I know what I'm doing, guys, okay? This is a new palette. I'm gonna make the look gorgeous. I have a grungy shirt on, so we're gonna do something a little more grungy. I'm using this new Essence blending brush, so I'm gonna get off of using that. I'm gonna stop using that, which is a good brush. It's not blending very well. So I'm gonna get into my big blending brush. I rubbed off what these brushes are. Maybe I'll try to get a little bit of Ecstasy, just a little bit right here. Just to deepen this outer corner here real quick. Can I tell you guys why I'm so excited? My son just turned 8 years old for his birthday, and my mom's coming into town for his birthday. And she's like on the plane right now, and I'm like so excited because I haven't seen her in a while. Last time she came, so my daughter was born. That was like over a year ago. So I'm so excited. Anyway, so that's why I'm acting a little crazy, because I'm just too excited. I'm sure you guys can relate when you haven't seen your family in a while and they're coming. It's just like, everything you do in the speed. This is the speed that I do everything right now, because I'm so excited. So I'm sure there's going to be no judgments on your side because you guys are the best ever. Okay, so I think I'm going to do a cut crease. But I'm not going to go all the way. I think I'll do like a 3/4 cut crease. I was being too spastic and I gave myself 2 different eye shapes. So we're going to deal with that. All right, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put Rapture. And then maybe I'll go into either this one or this one. But I'm just gonna start with Rapture in the inner corner. I think would be really cute. So here we go. It's like a blushing color with a little bit of like, oh, wait a minute. I thought it was a shimmer. Oh, this one looks like it's like matte. It's okay. It's matte with a little bits of glitter in it. And that might be fine. We might just deal with that. Anyways, there's a couple places I want to visit, and I even want to go to Greece in October. And so that should be fun, you guys. So okay, I think I'll try to get into Beam and see what happens here. That's that purple shade that looks like this. Whoa. That's pretty, but I'm gonna spray it my brush because I don't want to get glitter all over my face. And I'll use this rose water setting spray. Okay, so I think I will get into this Heavenly shade right in the outer corner here, going into that darker shade. So this palette's nice, and I'm not gonna lie, I would have never tried this palette were it not for it being in BoxyCharm. So I think that's good. So I get to try something new and like it, and it really is good. The colors are pigmented, they're nice. And this look came out really nice. I think it's beautiful. It's like beautiful purple look. I'm gonna go in with my Hoodie Beauty Luminous Matte Foundation. I have a review on this in Toasted Coconut. I'm going in with a brush, so I'm gonna try to not even get like a full pump going here. So I want to know what you guys are excited for 2021. No negative comments, just positive. What are you excited for? What do you want to do this year? What do you want to accomplish? I feel like as people, we tend to be more excited and like happier when there's something that we're trying to accomplish. Anytime I'm upset at myself or not happy, it's because I feel like I'm just standing still and I'm not accomplishing anything. So, you know what that reminds me of? which is so funny. Right now, I'm like having this like issue with my kids' school because they're saying, so I have a kindergartner and a second grader. And apparently my kindergartner has 21 absences and my second grader has only 12 absences. And I'm like, I'm pretty sure my kindergartner is not ditching. And I have them together. I always drop them off together. So there's no way that he could be absent that many times. And, you know, something weird's going on. Like, I think they're just not, I don't know what the school's doing. Anyways, so I'm just like, we've only gone on one vacation this whole year, and that's to visit my family in Tennessee in last October, and the kids were all online, and every day they logged in with their teacher on Zoom, and their teacher saw them and they were online. So there isn't really a reason for them to be missing. Okay, so this is how I look thus far. Let's put on some bronzer. So I think I'm going to put on the Essence bronzer because this is the matte bronzing palette that I tested out in a recent video. I'll link that video up in an iCard, and I like it. Like, I like it a lot. So I'm going to use the two lightest colors to give myself some bronze here. Oops, look how pigmented that is, that it just like splotched a whole lot. All right, I'll use this blush. This is the Essence blush called Beloved. I'm gonna use this, and I guess I'll use this Techniques brush. This is the Essence Pure Nude Highlighting Palette. This one has like this purpley shade. I'm going to use this shade right here to highlight with. Let's see what happens when I use that shade. It's pretty. So let's put on this Rose Water setting spray. Mist is good, so. Wow. Oh gosh, that felt so good. Feels so good to put on setting spray. Guys, it's not a gimmick. If you're not using setting spray, you need to. There's this one. Milani Make It Last looks like this. You can find it at any drugstore. My skin looks healthy and it's not so dry anymore. Look at that. So beautiful. Okay. Look like a purple goddess right now. Look like Venus number 3. All right. Back to the eyes. There's these 4 Shameless Thick and Curled Lashes, the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. That's what it's called. All right then. Wow, this is gorgeous. This mascara is gorgeous. Love the brush. I love it. I love this poofy crazy brush. I can tell that I'm gonna like this mascara. Gosh, why can't like drugstores make better mascaras? My favorite mascaras are always more expensive. I think drugstore is lacking in mascaras. Wow, this one's nice. This Boxy Charm is worth it just for this mascara because it is so freaking good. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry. While I let that dry, I'm going to pop on this color Bliss on the lower lashes. Let's put it on there. Okay, before I put it on the upper lashes again, I'm going to curl one more time. All right, we're going to leave it. All right, I'm liking how I'm looking. I'm liking it. Okay, the last thing is this Cab lip oil. I think it's Cab or KAB lip oil. I actually like their products. I've gotten quite a few of their products. Oh, And it's just a clear lip oil, so I definitely gonna try it. Oh, smells like coconut. I love it already. It's not too thick, it's not too slimy. I like it. I like it. It's nice. Very glossy, very lip oily. I like it, guys. Okay, let's put on some lipstick though. Maybelline Lifter Gloss. These are so freaking good. I'm gonna put on this one. This one's called Reef. Good choice. Let me know what you guys think. Tell me what you guys got in BoxyCharm if you are getting BoxyCharm down below. BoxyCharm is a really great way, not sponsored. I shouldn't even have to say that. Not sponsored, but I honestly do think BoxyCharm is a great way to build up your makeup collection or your makeup stash. If you want to try makeup but you don't want to have to go buy a bunch of makeup, this is a really great way. It's $24 a month and you get things that are expensive. I'm pretty sure this mascara on its own would probably be around $20. So you get to try so many products and you get brushes, you get skincare. It's a great way to, you just build up your brushes, you build up your makeup, you get new products. If you maybe got something that month and you're like, okay, I need to give a gift to a girlfriend, grab one from your BoxyCharm and give it to them. It's just, I really do like BoxyCharm. I think it's a great affordable way to receive makeup and to try new things and stay like on the trends. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.